Wakey, wakey. Baby. My word. It's morning already. Wake up.
Good morning, my love.
Good morning, my queen. I made breakfast for you.
Wow.
Yeah.
Thank you, honey.
This is for you.
Oh, thank you so much, babe.
I love you.
I love you. Thank you.
So make yourself comfortable, okay?
Yes, I will.
Be careful, it's hot.
Is it?
Yeah.
Mm.
You like it?
Yeah, love you.
Anything for you?
Yeah.
Come here. Just make yourself comfortable, okay? Let me freshen up and get ready for work.
Thank you, baby.
Alright. Cool. Alright, we'll be right back.
Alright, honey. Thank you.
I love you.
I love you. Okay.
Yeah, baby. Oh my God.
You look good already.
Really?
Yes.
Thank you, baby.
Yes, we have this.
Let me help you.
Thank you.
Wife material.
Husband material. Good?
Yeah, I'm good. Alright. Yeah. Alright.
Okay.
How do I look?
Fine.
Okay, you want to help me?
Yes.
So send me out to my car.
Mm.
Love you, baby.
Love you.
Let's go. No, babe. It's okay.
You sure?
I'm fine.
Okay.
I don't even want this. It's too much. You know I don't like eating much, especially when I'm going to work.
Okay.
Yeah, so I won't be tired.
I understand.
Babe, I'm fine.
Good?
I'm okay. Thank you. See you in the evening.
Bye.
I love you. Take good care of yourself.
I love you.
One more thing, babe. Babe, I left some money for you in the room, okay? So you get it and, get yourself lunch.
Okay.
Daytime, alright? I'll see you in the evening when I come back.
Thank you, honey.
Love you so much.
Love you.
Alright. Let me start going.
Bye.
Lazy bones. I'm out.
Where are you off to?
Job hunting.
Oh, good. You see what I was complaining? Get a boyfriend who is rich, cute, with 6 packs, who is also presentable, that is ready to take care of you. And I just said no. Instead, you went for a common driver who cannot even take care of you. Why won't you go job hunting? Why? Cinta. How many times did I call you?
3 times.
Please be careful. Allow people, respect people, allow them to make their decisions. Why are you forcing your own decision down her throat? She said Donka is who she wants to be with. Let her be with Donka now.
All the best in your hunting. Oh? Hunt what?
I'm used to you. When you're done blabbing, your food is on the table.
Thank you.
Bye.
That reminds me. Do you know I need to look for something I can be doing to combine with school? So I can make money for myself. Oh, okay. Okay. I rest my case here. I'm done with you.
This love is unbreakable. You're the best in all angles. This love is unbreakable. You're the best in all angles. They love each other so much. The enemy they try to tear them apart. The enemy they try to take away their love. But come rain, come sunshine, the love is strong. The enemy they try to tear them apart. The enemy they try to take take away their love. But come rain, come sunshine, the love is strong. Love is beautiful, love is sweet. What else can I say if not I love you? You be my Romeo, I be your Juliet, I be your love. Anyhow we be, I love her more, I love her more. Now him be my joy, live out for me, live out for me. You be my Romeo, I be your Juliet, I be your love. Anyhow we be, I love her more, I love her more. Now him be my joy, live out for me, live out for me. You be my Romeo, I be your Juliet, I be your love. Anyhow we be, I love her more, I love her more, I love her more. Now him be my joy, live out for me. I'm searching for true love, someone that will wipe away my old stories. I'm searching for true love, someone that will fill the vacuum in my heart, someone that will heal this wound in my heart. That's all I need, that's all I want. You be my Romeo, I be your Juliet, I be your love. Anyhow we be, I love her more, I love her more. Now him be my joy, live out for me, live out for me. You be my Romeo, I be your Juliet, I be your love. Anyhow we be, I love her more, I love her more. Now him be my joy, live out for me, live out for me. You be my Romeo, I be your Juliet, I be your love. Anyhow we be, I love her more, I love her more, I love her more. Now him be my joy, live out for me.
Annabelle?
Desmond. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, epitome of beauty. Woo! Wow. How are you doing, my dear?
I'm pretty good, and you?
I'm okay. Where are you going under this scorching sun?
Job hunting.
What?
Yes. I'm a graduate of medicine, you remember? So I went to submit my CV and my application letter at the teaching hospital.
Oh, that's good, that's good, that's good. Well, I wish you the best of luck.
Thank you.
So tell me, Black is beautiful. Where are you going from here?
I'm going home. So exhausted.
Oh, beautiful. I hope you don't mind if I drop you off.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah, here we are.
Thank you so much for the ride.
You're welcome, beautiful. Anne, please tell me, why aren't you reciprocating my love?
Desmond, I have told you that I'm seeing someone else.
You mean the common driver?
Oh yes, the common driver. I love him so much. In fact, my whole world revolves around him.
Oh, come on, beautiful. Come on, come on, come on. What on earth can a common driver offer to you? that I, Desmond, cannot give you 3 times over.
You don't seem to get it, do you? It is not all about what you can offer me or trying to compare yourself to him. No.
It's okay. I have to rush back to the office.
Fine.
I just came out for lunch.
It's okay. Thank you once more.
You're welcome. Think about it.
Mimi is not yet back home.
What do you expect? I know Patrick is spoiling her silly right now at his place. I trust my babe. She decided to pinch her tent over there.
Those two, eh?
Who does not like good things? I like good things.
Girls.
Ah, babes, you're here.
Yeah.
Welcome back, babe.
Thank you, Santa.
How did it go? Any luck?
No luck. I'm famished. Is there food inside?
Yes. We made something, but you need to help yourself.
It's fine.
And it's your favorite.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I think we knew she was going to have a bad day.
Please, you guys should stop this. Enjoy cute, handsome, rich guys.
With 6 packs.
No job.
Zubby, did you hear what I was saying? Shinta, did you hear me? Are you okay? I mean, is there a problem?
Can I get it?
You've been cold since I returned. Did something happen in my absence?
Not really.
Louisa.
Never forget her. She's just angry that you chose Duncan over Desmond. That is what is paining her.
Jacinta, when has my choice become a thing of worry?
What happened this afternoon is Desmond called her after dropping you off. And he complained bitterly. In his words, you were not giving him any green light. That is why she's in this mood.
For what? Why would you do a thing like that? Jacinta, why are you taking it personal?
That was exactly what I asked her. This thing you just said is exactly what came out of my mouth.
Girl, Duncan is my choice. And I am happy with him. That should be all that counts. And you should be happy for me, girl.
Hey, please stop this. That's Desmond. See, Desmond is nice, cute, well packaged with 6 packs, sexy one at that, rich, and ready to secure you a job in their company. Why are you not dating that poor thing? What's wrong with you?
I don't get it. Doesn't mean you cannot secure a job for me if I refuse to date him. Anyway, I did not study chemical engineering. I studied medicine. So you know what? He can keep his damn job for all I care. I do not need his help. This one all the time.
Stop this! Go for a rich guy! What is wrong with all of you?
Nico, rest.
What is wrong with her?
Nothing.
That guy is not... It's not good for her.
Love matters.
What
love
is love?
matters. I love money and 6 packs, but love matters.
I beg, stop this. I have phobia for poverty.
Baby!
Hi, baby.
My love. My sweet heart. How are you doing?
I'm good.
Oh, miss you, baby.
So how's your day?
Man, it was fine. Work was stressful today, but thank God I'm back home.
Good to hear that. So,
Let me just go in, freshen up, and then when I'm back, we go out and get something to eat. I'm famished.
but babe, I prepared dinner.
You prepared something?
Yes.
How come? Because I know the money I left behind was for you to go get lunch, like I instructed. So you didn't get lunch?
No, I went to the market instead.
Are you serious? So the money was enough for lunch and dinner?
Yes, of course. You know what? Just go upstairs while I serve the table, okay?
Are you serious? You're amazing, baby.
I know.
I love you.
I love you.
I'll be right back, okay?
Yes, okay.
Oh, leave my
Go.
hair.
Go.
Oh my goodness. Miracle did this. This girl is something else. Is there anything I can do without her? The answer is absolutely nothing. I have found a wife. I die here. Oh, I die here. Babe, this is delicious.
You like?
I love it. I mean, how did you come up with this? Who would ever believe that you could prepare something like this with the little money I left behind? You're just an amazing soul. Am I not lucky to have you?
Yes,
I'm the most luckiest man ever. Every sane man in this country will want to make you their wife. Because you're not just beautiful, but you're also amazing. I love you so much, darling.
I love you too. But, baby, are you seriously praising me for just cooking dinner?
Did you call it just? No, I'm not just praising you. I am giving you accolades. Because this is wonderful. I left little money behind for you to, eat something. And then you prepared this big quantity of food. Do you know that I know thousands of girls that would rather go to the fast food, the eatery, and squander the money than preparing something like this?
What?
Of course. You're such a good cook. And I wish you were already married. You're not eating.
I'm just listening to you.
I love you, baby.
I love you.
Ah.
Hi.
Alexander, but my friends call me Alice.
Cinta.
You mean Jacinta?
Yes, Jacinta.
What a beautiful name for a beautiful lady like you.
Thank you.
I cannot take my eyes off you.
I see. What for?
Oh, come on. I can't live without getting your contact. I wish to meet you again. I guess you're here to shop.
Exactly.
How about we shop together?
Okay. If you insist.
Hi.
Baby! Will you marry me? Please. I say yes to me. And make me the happiest man on earth. I love you so much. And you know I cannot do without you. Please, my love, will you marry me?
Yes.
Yes. I know. I love you more. You know, you bring me peace of mind. Everything about you is just unique. And I can't wait for us to share this part for the rest of our life. I love you.
You're not even serious. What are you talking about? Ah, okay. Somebody's getting jealous now. I know. Hold on, someone's at the door. Hold on. Who is there? Please come in, the door is not locked. Hey! Baby,
Yeah,
what's up?
What's up, darling?
I'm fine, darling. It's like you have something for me, oh.
I got a new cash today.
Seriously?
Can't
No
you
way.
see?
Ah.
Can't you see?
Hey!
See, you needed to see his sexy six packs.
Oh my spec, don't do this now. You know I'm crazy about six packs, guys.
So cute.
Wow.
Yes, this guy came back from Yankee.
No way. Wow, he's loaded then. No, there's money. Oh.
He's loaded. His name is Alex. You know, when I was telling you guys about borrowing a car, which I did, you guys didn't understand.
We did not. What do we know?
He saw me step down from my car.
Boy, you are a big girl now.
What are you saying? He's treating me like a big girl.
He'll be giving you dollars, pounds, and euro.
at-
Only you.
I'm telling you.
But I'm really happy.
Oh my
getting
God.
hooked, oh. Hooked by rich guys.
I met him in a shopping mall, and he has to shop for me. You can see.
Some will be my own. Oh. I'm your baby girl.
What are you saying?
Hey.
What are you saying? Yes, you can say that again.
Are you telling me that all this came from him?
Yeah, everything came from him, babe. See, I told you, Alex gave me a treat. When I say treat, in fact, he gave me a blast.
My friend, wait. Tell me what he looks like. You talked about six packs. Tell me, is he tall, short, chubby,
Wait. Doesn't mean you've not been listening to me all this while.
No.
I told you that Alexis Spark now his success is Spark. Is it for me? No, I'm not. Wait, let me tell you something. You need to see Alex. Alex is so fresh. Alex, his skin, he's glowing. In fact, nobody will tell you that this guy just come back from Yankee. I'm telling you.
Hey, wait, my friend. It's not like I was not listening to you. It's that you talked about 2 things that I like. Which is 6 packs and raw dollars, euro and pounds. So when you say those 2 things, when you join them together, my brain explodes. So I want you to explain, elaborate, expansion on this thing, so that I can understand though.
Babe, you should know the kind of thing I eat.
I know.
I don't go for less. Once it's 6-pack and it's sexy, color me and that will answer.
I'm jealous.
You see this one? He is the last bus stop. Babe, I got a husband.
Hey!
Now. End of discussion.
Look at me, look at Chief Bridesmaid.
Discussion continues
Look at me.
after marriage.
Look at me, look at Chief Bridesmaid. I'm your Chief Bridesmaid too. I'm your Chief Bridesmaid too.
Jehovah, carry me there go, my husband.
My friend. You're my friend.
Carry me there go.
Carry us, they go.
Carry me there
Carry
go.
us, they go, my husband. Carry. I'm following you. You give some. Let me go. Go back and ready for you. Let me follow you now.
My love, I have gone round this town in search of a job, but to no avail.
Is that why you're sounding like this? You don't have to give up yet. Something good can still happen.
I'm already tired. My friends, especially Jacinta, she thinks I'm a fool for not accepting Desmond's advances towards me.
Who's Desmond?
Some guy who works in one big oil company, who told her he's going to help me secure a job in their company.
Oil company? I don't understand the connection. What's the... what department? What will you be doing in the oil company? I understand medical doctors work in an oil company, but it's barely acceptable.
I'm fed up. You remember that hospital, that private hospital went to submit my CV?
Yes.
They called me, but their salary is way too low. Hence, I have decided to opt for a teaching career in one private school. Although it's a big school.
That's uncalled for. You're surprising me the more. Do you know how many years you spent in the university studying medicine? How can you opt for a teaching job? How can a medical doctor opt for a teaching job? That's uncalled for.
I don't have a choice.
You have a choice. You do have a choice.
I want perfect. It's a lie, you want it. Go and buy your own.
I don't believe that.
That's true. Babes. So you're looking sweet. How far? Any luck? Whoops!
Welcome. Thank you. Welcome. I'm happy.
Give me juice, give me juice.
I ran into Duncan. Guess what?
What?
He's promised to help me talk to his doctor friend who works at the teaching hospital and owns a private hospital too.
Whoa, that's big.
Yes. So I have this feeling that something is about to click. You know that kind of feeling, right?
I trust that guy. You know he's a nice person, so people will like him.
Very nice.
Oh my God, I pray he works out.
Amen.
Yes! You ran into Duncan. Wait. You're trying to tell me that Duncan has a doctor friend who can actually help him out of poverty. At least secure him a job to help his life. And he didn't go for it. He wants to introduce the person to you to help your own life. Babe, come on. Let us face the reality for once. This thing is not working.
Jacinta, what's your problem? No, seriously, what is your problem?
Cynthia.
What has chemical engineering got to do with medicine, for goodness sakes? What exactly?
Cynthia. Cynthia. I do not like the way you act whenever Duncan's name is mentioned. May I remind you that in this whole thing, you are the fake person. Everybody knows that you are fake.
No. Do not call me fake.
You are fake.
Don't try it.
You are fake.
Don't ever. I don't even know. Are you better? Are you?
What?
Lisa, are you
Are you
better?
even comparing yourself to me at all?
Lisa,
No, you're not doing that.
I mean, the talk to. I mean, are you there? Yeah?
Swear.
Can you ignore her?
I can't, oh. I can't. I'm sorry, Anne. I don't like the way she behaves whenever Duncan's name is mentioned. What is it?
Because I have phobia for poverty. Babes, see, I can't go for less. Yes. I cannot date anyhow guy. Not a poor one.
So Duncan is poor.
He is, are you not seeing it all over him? Is that?
Don't mind her. Me, I know that something will click. And Duncan is a good guy. Everything will be fine. I trust God and I trust him.
Of course, God will come true.
Yes.
Amen.
Always.
It's okay, thank you.
You be my rebel, I be your Juliet, I be your love. Anyhow we be, I love her more, I love her more. My hand be my joy, live out for me, live out for me. You be my rebel, I be your Juliet, I be your love. Anyhow we be, I love her more, I love her more. My hand be my joy, live out for me, live out for me. You be my rebel, I be your Juliet, I be your...
All right, baby girl, my soulmate. We're here.
Yes, we are. Baby, I'm going to miss you.
Of course, I'll miss you more. And you know that, right? But don't worry. In no time, we'll be together forever.
Yes. I can't get enough of you.
I can't get enough of you too.
Okay, babe. Okay, so I have to go, you have to go. So, I love you.
I love you more. You want to go? Are you sure you don't want to stay with me?
No.
I love you, baby.
I love you too.
I'll miss you. Please come around tonight, huh? All right.
You be my rebel, I be your Juliet, I be your love. Anyhow we be, I love her more, I love her more. My hand be my joy, live out for me, live out for me. You be my rebel, I be your Juliet, I be your love. Anyhow we be, I love her more, I love her more. My hand be my joy, live out for me, live out for me. You be my rebel, I be your Juliet, I be your...
Of course, you did it.
How? What are you trying to say?
I was asking you and you denied me.
It's not me. Why
You cannot change.
What is wrong with you? She's always behaving awkward. So why? She.
Are you saying miracle?
Yes, you, baby.
Yo.
Hi, ladies.
My God.
Hi.
Lover guy.
See as you fresh.
What?
Wait. What's that on your finger? It's so big, that's a big stone.
What's going on?
Come on, spill it out.
Start talking.
He proposed.
And I said yes. You have to say yes. Why would you say yes? Congratulations, my girl.
Wow.
Thank you. Nice.
See heavy stones.
So you are talking now. Yes, I am.
But I can't wait for you.
Hello, pretty.
Hey, babe, it's you.
Of course it's me. I see you ready for school.
Of course, I am.
Well, let me take you to school then. I don't mind aborting all my appointments for today.
Really?
Sure.
Why not?
And hope it. Baby, you're indeed beautiful.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So tell me, how about your friends?
They are all doing well.
Okay. So, I've been meaning to ask you a question.
I hope there's no problem.
Not at all. When is your birthday?
25th of November.
25th of November.
Yes.
That's nice. That's nice.
I hope there's no problem. Why'd you ask?
Not at all. I just want to know.
You know you're full of surprises, man. You.
And November is around the corner.
That's true. Very much.
We'll see how it goes.
Okay.
Why are you looking at me?
Because the way you stare, right? You just glare and I'm like, okay.
Because you're so beautiful.
You've said that a million times.
And I want to stop saying it.
Then don't, because I don't want you to.
My love, good afternoon. Well, nothing. I'm just sitting here watching movies and pressing my phone, logging online and out on Instagram, Facebook, and WhatsApp. Please leave me, Joe. What do you expect from a jobless babe like me? Wait. Are you kidding me right now? Wait. Are you for real? Oh my goodness! Wait, I am going to be working as a doctor. Oh my goodness! Thank you so much, babe. Thank you. What would I do without you? Wait, hold on a minute. So I'm going to be working in a hospital as a medical doctor. Thank you, babe. I can now proudly call myself Dr. Annabelle.
You're the best. Bye, my love. Oh my goodness! Yes! Yes! Ooh. Wow. Finally. Yes! Yes!
Hi, babes. How long have you been waiting? How long have you been waiting?
Said 10 minutes.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I had to submit my assignment to my course rep, so before leaving, of course.
So have you done that?
I have.
Good. I guess you're famished. Do you mind I take you somewhere so you can have lunch?
Are you somehow a mind reader?
Anything for you. Don't worry, you're going to like this one.
I hope you're right.
I'm just liking this. Yeah. I can't wait. I can't wait.
You look so pretty right now.
Thank you.
Baby, just give me some minutes.
What? Why? I just want you. Come to me, baby. Come to me, baby.
Baby,
Yes, sweetheart.
I would love to ask you a question.
Go ahead.
Why haven't you made love to me or asked me for sex since we started dating?
That's because sex is not a guarantee for true love. I love you regardless. But that's true.
You still haven't answered my question.
Oh.
You haven't made love to me since we started dating and it's been a while? Is there any girl somewhere you're making love to that is satisfying your needs?
Not at all. There isn't one anywhere. You see, I just don't want you to see it like I fell in love with you to satisfy my sexual urge. I decided to do it my own time with your permission. I've not done anything wrong.
You haven't. But I also have another question, but this one is a favor I want to ask.
Go ahead. I'm all ears.
I want you to take me to your house right now and make sweet love to me. Can you do that?
Are you sure that's what you want?
Absolutely, Bob.
Alright. We're going to do that. That will be after lunch. In a very nice restaurant. What do you say about that?
Always a gentleman. Lunch isn't bad. I'm hungry, but the problem is not for that kind of food. Bob,
What kind of food?
drive straight to your bed with me right now. Please.
Alright. As a majesty pleases.
Thank you.
Very well then. Hello, Jack. Alright, I will be there in a minute. Baby dear, please wake up.
Oh.
Come on, I have somewhere I have to be. I need to leave right now.
What? Okay. Just go. I'll wait while you return.
You don't have to wait for me. You have to leave, I swear. I promise to call you immediately I get back. I'll call you.
How can you say that? You got me exhausted. I thought you said we're gonna spend the whole day together. Why doing this? After riding me for 3 consecutive times, now you want me to leave?
Come on, I'm really sorry. My elder brother Jack just called me for a landed property I need to purchase. And the agent is right there waiting for me. I have to be there. I promise to make it up to you immediately I get back. I'll call you.
Come on, I don't like this.
Oh, come on. You know you don't look beautiful when you're angry. Huh?
You got me exhausted.
I know. Just get up.
Shit. Tired.
Oh, yes. Yes. Come in. You ready?
Where have you been?
I was with Bob the whole day. I'm tired, I'm sorry. Really? Yes. I was the one that even asked. Yes, he wasn't going to say anything.
Hey, wait a minute. You mean you asked the guy to sleep with you?
Oh, come on. And it's not like that. I'll explain. Calm down. I'll explain. He just kept spending and spending and spending. And you guys know I like him so much, so I had to ask. And it was nice. It was really cool.
Oh my God.
He's so sweet. Oh my God.
So tell me, how was the experience like?
That Bob guy has the sweetest coated thing in between his thighs. And who else discovered? Me. He's a sex machine. Every minute was fire.
Wow.
He touched me, he caressed me, he stroked me, just the way I love it.
My God.
And I just kept sweating.
Loza, did you say Senator Briggs is in town?
Yes. But I'm not seeing him. Bob is the person I'm going to see.
See, babe, don't tell me you want to discuss Senator. Don't do that, though. Bob, or whatever you call him, hasn't even proposed to you yet. And you're already all over the moon. Please, please, my girl, don't do something that you live to regret, though. Please.
Louisa, do not listen to Jacinta's bad advice. Stick to Bob, okay? I honestly do not know what is stopping me from coming to see my parents.
Babe, how can you be talking about coming to see your parents now? I'm poor.
You're not poor. That you lack finances now does not mean you're poor. It may interest you to know that.
A man being without money does not make him poor, but being without vision.
Dr. Annabelle, now a motivational speaker.
Please, my love. I am tired of hearing the same old story.
Is someone coming already?
My love, I work in the hospital now, and I earn big, courtesy of you. Whatever you have, I'll support you. Just come and see my parents.
You can't be talking about supporting me now. It's barely a few months you started this work.
Secondly, I do not even know where you stay. What kind of a relationship is this, for crying out loud? How can I not know where my fiancés stay?
My love, it's not an issue. I told you already. I'm living with my mother. Okay. That is not a problem. You insist on no.
I love her more. I him be my joy. Live up for me. Live up for me. Oh. You be my rebel.
Please, Annabelle, please. Please, I didn't do what I did intentionally, please. Okay? I'm sorry. Please. A lot has happened in my life that made me take that decision. Please. I have been battered, I have been treated so unfairly by different women, all because of my status. So I decided to play this game. I didn't mean to. I got to know that you are the best woman that I've ever loved in my life. You love me sincerely. You don't love me because I have anything. And that is everything for me. Please. I'm sorry, don't take it like that. Don't take it that I lied to you.